This hair growth cream is one thing that your hair will absolutely thank you for. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how to make it. We're going to be using shea butter as our base to make this hair growth cream. Shea butter moisturizes the hair, it treats irritated scalp, reduces dryness, and it softens the hair. I'm going to whip it a little to make it fluffy before we add the rest of our ingredients into the shea butter. We are going to be using mostly herbal powders to make this hair growth cream, and the first we are using is Chebe powder. Chebe powder helps to retain hair length, it mildly exfoliates the scalp, it reduces breakage, and it helps in nourishing the hair. And most of all, it also helps with hair growth. So we're going to be adding it into the shea butter and mixing it in properly. Next, we'll be using neem powder. Neem powder helps to relieve itchy scalp, it helps to strengthen the hair, and it helps to reduce hair fall. Neem powder also has anti-inflammatory properties, so it can help with dandruff and any other hair condition. I'll add it and mix it in as well. Next, we'll be using green tea powder. Green tea powder helps to reduce hair loss, it helps with hair growth, helps to reduce dandruff, and it also boosts hair health. So we'll be adding it into the cream and mixing it as well. I'll drop the full recipe with the accurate measurements of the ingredients in the description box, so check it out after watching this video. Next, we'll be using menthol crystals. Menthol helps to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, helps with itchiness, dryness, tightness, and dandruff on the scalp. Menthol will also give our hair cream this minty smell and feel. And lastly, we'll be using fenugreek oil. Fenugreek oil is great for nourishing the hair, prevents hair loss, and it also helps to fight lice and dandruff. You can use fenugreek powder in place of this if you want, and also this is the only oil I'll be adding into the cream, and the reason is that we are not adding any wax or any emulsifier, so if you add too much oils, the cream is going to have this watery consistency. After mixing everything in, we are going to leave it for about 30 minutes so that the menthol can melt properly and the rest of the ingredients can mix together very well. After 30 minutes, I'm going to bring back my hair cream and give it that final mix. This time you have to mix very well to incorporate all of the ingredients. Now I'll just pack my cream into my jar. If you like, you can add in a fragrance or essential oil, but I'll not be adding any into mine because I like the minty smell that the menthol gives the hair cream. This hair growth cream will stimulate hair growth and is going to help with treating dandruff and any other hair condition you may be experiencing, and it's also going to help reduce hair breakage. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please like this video, share this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful recipes like this. Bye, and see you in my next video.